Ever had your Visa gift card say declined when you were just trying to grab that perfect something? Don't worry. We've got your back with the most common fixes. The first hurdle, activation. Many gift cards need to be activated before use. Check the sticker on the front of your card for activation instructions. Usually, it's a toll-free number or a website to visit. Simply follow the prompts, and you'll be ready to go in no time. Next up, insufficient funds. This one's straightforward. You might not have enough money loaded onto the card to cover your purchase. Head to the gift card issuer's website, €. You can typically find this on the back of your card, €, and check your balance if it's low. You might need to combine it with another payment method at checkout if the merchant allows. Another common culprit is incorrect billing information. When shopping online, the billing zip code you enter must match the zip code associated with the card. If you don't know it, check the activation website. Again, some retailers also require your name and address to match what's on file. Double-check these details carefully. Some Visa gift cards have restrictions on online usage. They might be intended for in-store purchases only, or they might have special requirements for online transactions. If your card is declined online, try using it at a physical store. If it works there, then it's likely that online usage is limited for that particular card. And if you've tried all of these steps and your card is still not working, it's time to call the customer service number on the back of your Visa gift card. They'll be able to look up your card's specific details and diagnose any underlying issues, like a potential card error or a security block. With these steps, you'll be well on your way to using your Visa gift card with confidence. Happy shopping!